हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे अमेजिंग एनिमल के बारे में जो वर्ल्ड फास्टेस्ट एनिमल है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फैक्ट नंबर 1, चीतास कैन रन अप टू 1100 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर just for a few seconds. Fact number 2, they can only maintain top speed for 20 to 30 seconds before overheating. Fact number 3, the black tear mask under their eyes help to reduce glare from the sun and improve force of prey. Fact number 4, unlike most big cats, their claws stay out all the time, giving them better grip while running. Fact number 5, cheetahs can spot prey up to 5 kilometers away. Fact number 6, cheetahs mostly hunt in early morning and afternoon. They really roar and growl to communication. Fact number 7, cheetahs cub grow with grey fur at their back and help them to blend in the grass. Female cheetahs raise their cubs among the. Fact number 8, cheetahs are found mostly in Africa and part of Iran. They are endangered. Fact number 9, cheetahs have very low genetic diversity, making them more valuable to diseases. Fact number 10, there are fewer than 7,000 cheetahs left in the world today. Please save nature and save animals. कैसे लगी आपको आज की हमारी वीडियो? प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।